What's up, my homies? Uncle Ron coming back to you. Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to make some hamburgers. And a couple other little things to go with it. So stick around. Watch this shit show. We're back. And I know the main thing you guys are wondering as y'all are watching this. What's Uncle Ron drinking tonight? How about some High West whiskey? Double rye. It looks like the bottle's almost empty. It's been really cold here in Mississippi lately. And I like some rye when it's cold. It's got that good burn going all the way down. So we got some High West. We're drinking it with some ice and a little touch of water. And we're ready to get to cooking. I know this is a video about cooking hamburgers. But we got the grill fired up and I figured, man, we might as well put some other stuff on it. So of course, I went to Aldi's. I got some chicken. And basically what I'm gonna do with the chicken, I'm gonna cut it in half because Aldi's chicken is like gigantic. I'm gonna cook it on the grill, nothing special, season it up a little bit. I'm gonna shred probably most of it. I'm gonna kind of do some food prep for later on in the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this chicken on the grill first. I'm gonna go ahead and get to cut it down. Y'all hang tight, the hamburger stuff's coming up in just a second. Tell me if y'all ever came up with this before. I'm a little weird about raw meat, especially chicken. And I'll wash stuff over and over and over again, wash my hands 15 times, hence the black rubber glove. But I want to get my chicken cut up first tonight. Now they had some other stuff I was going to go back on with the cutting board. So what I did, I put like 3 layers of saran wrap on top of my cutting board, and then put a piece of parchment paper on top of that. I figured I could wrap it all up like this, and my cutting board is still clean. I mean, it's dry, it should be clean. Tell me if you ever heard of that before. I'm gonna throw this away. Yeah, this too. Now we're gonna work on some toppings for a hamburger. We got some mushrooms. We got a big old onion. I'm gonna slice this onion down. Put some mushrooms and onions maybe in some tin foil on the grill with a little Worcestershire sauce, and I'm thinking Mississippi grit because it's salt, pepper, and garlic. How can you go better? Mushrooms, onions, salt, pepper, garlic. Let's go ahead and slice down this onion. While we have the chicken over there on the grill, we're going to make some appetizers. We're going to make jalapeno poppers. Now, one thing we need to talk about with jalapenos, when you're cooking with jalapenos, making jalapenos, if you even look at a jalapeno, you want to make sure you go tinkle first. And then when you get through with the jalapenos, wash your hands really, really good before you go tinkle again. That's coming from a voice of experience. It's not pleasurable whatsoever. It really hurts. So just keep that in mind, guys. Let's go ahead and start cutting these up. We are going to take the seeds out of here. we're going to take our spoon. We're going to get the seeds and the white stuff out. Can you see that okay? That's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to get a little dash of cream cheese. Put that in there. Kind of spread it out good. We're going to hit it with our Mississippi grit. And wrap it in about a half a piece of bacon. There we go, guys. Let's go ahead and get the rest of them ready. Let's check on our chicken. Man, that's looking pretty good. I might actually finish this off in the oven. Just for the heck of it. I don't know. Let's check temperature first. The chicken was almost ready. So I just threw it over the flames for a minute. Got our jalapenos. There's our bacon that's going to go on top of our burgers. Did I tell you I almost always cook bacon on the grill now? It's the perfect way to do it. I think we should probably take these off. Heck yeah. Let's go ahead and get our mushrooms and onions ready. There's our onion. There's our mushrooms. There's some butter. And here, Mississippi grit. Salt, pepper, garlic. Let's throw this on the grill. This entire video was supposed to be about cooking hamburgers. I got sidetracked cooking other stuff. So we got our hamburgers going in a bowl. Another thing about this video, it's the first time I ever shot in 4K. So, I don't know if that really means anything, but hey, we're shooting in 4K. What's up with that? We got about 2.5 pounds of hamburger meat in here. We got 1 egg. Crack that egg up in there. We got some Worcestershire sauce. Throw it in there. Now, we're gonna mush this all up together. Hey, might as well start making some patties. Throw them on the grill. I got a little bit extra time because I sort of forgot to turn the oven on to make some french fries. Man, this stuff right here is going to be good. Oh yeah, you couldn't see earlier. Hold on. Which way I need to go? I'm going to go this way. You see my new flag? Second Amendment. That means we all get to carry guns. If you're a real American, cooks out in their garage and shit. Alright, let's make some patties, boys and girls. I got that trick going again with the parchment paper. We got roughly 2 pounds of hamburger meat. We're gonna make some big old fat patties. Add them out a little bit. There's one. Woo! Boy, it's gonna be some big old hamburgers. There's 2, 3. Woo! Let's take that glove off. Let's season these bad boys up. We got some boys night out. I know y'all had no idea. And then we're going with some Uncle Pookie's steak and burger love. Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna get them on the grill. We got the burgers close to being done. We got some buns on here getting toasted. We've had our burgers over the cool part of the fire. Now we're gonna put them over the hot part of the fire. seared up. It'll be just about time to eat in a minute. Our hamburgers are about on 165 now. Let's go ahead and take them off. We're gonna top them with a piece of Gouda cheese. I don't know if I've told y'all lately, but man, I just love me some Gouda cheese. So let's go melt some cheese on top of these hamburgers. Dang, them starting to look pretty good right there, boy. Well, guys, all my taste testers are gone tonight. So I'm going to have to be the taste tester tonight. We got a burger, good cheese, mushrooms, onions, mayonnaise, and mustard. That's all that's on here. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, let's get some of that cheese. So let me put some mushroom. That's some good stuff. That's really, really good. Looks like we're eating some burgers tonight. Guys, that's pretty much it for Uncle Ron tonight. I got a bunch of stuff to clean up. Until probably next weekend. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. Like and subscribe. Whatever. Peace out, guys. Uncle Ron loves y'all.